Hello, my name is Mike Jangelitis, and I'm the founder of Cornerable Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive real-time notifications when administrator accounts log into a domain member server, how to filter out specific administrator accounts, and how to generate daily successful logon reports. The first step in this process is to add your domain controllers and standalone servers to the software. From the menu bar, select File, New. The Create New Object view displays. Next, select Computers, Devices, and Endpoints. The Add Computers, Devices, and Endpoints dialog displays. Either enter the server name or click Browse Active Directory. If we click Browse Active Directory, the Browse Active Directory dialog displays. Use this view to select the domain controllers or individual servers, then click OK. Once added, from the Explorer view, expand Hosts. We now see the servers in a new group with the label of the parent organizational unit name, for example, Domain Controllers. Once you've added your domain controllers to the software, we need to create a Success Logon Monitor template, then assign it to the target domain controllers or standalone servers. If you're not familiar with Cornerable software, templates define instructions such as which event logs to monitor and the frequency to monitor the event log entries. Once created, you assign the template to the hosts you would like to monitor. Server Manager 2022 comes pre-configured with several real-time Success Logon Monitor templates. The templates can be found in the Explorer view. Find the Root Templates node, then expand Sample Templates, Real-Time Monitors, Success Logon. Here you will find 6 different real-time Success Logon Monitor templates. The first 5 templates are generic event log monitor templates that employ the use of locale-specific filters to parse the security event log entries. The last template, Real-Time Success Logon Monitor with Group Filters, is a one-off template that includes the option to validate and filter accounts in Active Directory. This is the template we are going to use. Right-click on the Real-Time Success Log Monitor with Group Filters template. Then select Template Properties. The Logon Monitor Template Properties view displays. The General tab enables you to schedule the monitor. Since this is a real-time monitor, we can see the real-time schedule is already applied. If you prefer to be notified in batches, you can set the schedule to a fixed schedule instead. For example, once an hour. Also, if you want to send notifications to different network administrators during different hours, you can create multiple templates for each time range, then create and assign a real-time schedule that only runs during specific times of the day. The Options tab enables you to select the type of monitor, either Success Audit or Failure Audit. The event IDs, then finally the logon types. The Filters tab enables you to filter the accounts to monitor, as well as provide any standard log entry filters you would like to apply. To filter out accounts that do not exist in Active Directory, check the Limit Results to Valid Active Directory Accounts checkbox. To limit results to domain administrators, select Domain Admins from the Limit to the Following Groups and Users dropdown. To exclude specific administrators, select the administrator's accounts you would like to ignore from the Filter Out the Following Groups and Users dropdown. The Actions tab enables you to assign the actions to fire when the monitor state changes. Use the On-Trigger dropdown to assign the actions to fire when a user or service logs in. Notice the Email Success Logon action is pre-assigned. Double-click the action to display the Action Properties view. Use the Recipients dropdown to select an email address from the list or type in a new email address not yet configured within the software. Use the subject text box to specify the email subject. Notice the value includes a user replacement variable. When executed, this replacement variable is replaced with the name of the account that logged in. Click Close, then when prompted, save your changes. Okay, the last step is assigning your domain controllers or standalone servers to the template. From the Assignments view, use the Host dropdown to assign specific servers. Use the Host Group dropdown to assign an entire group, for example, domain controllers. Click Close, then when prompted, save your changes. Now, back in the Explorer view, if we expand one of the domain controllers in the domain controllers group, we can see the real-time success logon monitor template assigned to each domain controller. Let's see this in action. First, let's open a real-time security event log viewer so we can watch all the entries pass through the software. Notice, if we expand the template, we see the security event log listed. Right-click on the security event log and select Watch. The real-time event log viewer displays. Next, trigger the success logon by logging into any server on your network. Once logged in, you should see your email notification, which includes the name of the account you used to log into the server in the subject. Also notice the template under the domain controller has triggered. Right-click on the template and select Explore. The monitor status view displays. Notice the last logged in account is listed in the status, and the history view includes all of the recently logged in accounts. Next, I'm going to show you how to schedule daily success logon reports. Event log reports require event log entries to be saved to the log repository database. I've already assigned an event log consolidation template to my domain controller, and I've downloaded the entries. Once we have configured the event log consolidation and the template has been either manually or automatically executed, we need to create a success logon monitor report, then assign the target domain controllers or standalone servers to the report. If you're not familiar with Cornerable software, reports define instructions such as which event logs to report on, filters to apply, and the frequency to run the report. Once created, you assign hosts to the report. Server Manager 2022 comes pre-configured with a security event log successful logons report. The report can be found in the Explorer view. Find the report's root node, then expand Sample Reports, Event Logs, Security Reports, Logon. Here you will find 3 different reports: Security Event Log Failed Logons, Security Event Log Logon Sessions, Security Event Log Successful Logons. Right-click on the Security Event Log Successful Logons report. Then select Properties. The Security Event Log Successful Logons report Properties view displays. Use the General tab to schedule the report. Use the Explicitly Assigned Logs tab to assign archived and auxiliary consolidated logs, as well as native EVTX log file backups. Leave these lists blank when you only want to include entries from the primary log repository. Use the Options tab to select the event log IDs and the login types to include. You also have the option of including a summary table, as well as collapsing the results to show a unique list of logons grouped by username and logon type. Use the Date Range tab to specify the date range to include in the report. Use the Filters tab to filter the accounts to monitor, as well as provide standard event log entry filters you would like to apply. The Actions tab enables you to assign the actions when the report state changes. Use the On Complete dropdown to assign actions to fire when the report is complete. Notice the Send an Email action is pre-assigned. Double-clicking the action displays the Action Properties view. Use the Recipients dropdown to select an email address. Then click Close and save your changes when prompted. Finally, use the Host dropdown to assign the domain controllers or standalone servers you would like to include in the report. Once assigned, click Save to save your changes. Then click View Report to view the report directly in the Management Console. That's real-time success logon monitoring and scheduled reporting with Cornerable Server Manager 2022.